What's up, everybody? My name's Will. I'm here with my buddy Nathan. We're about to walk up Stagbrook Falls Trail.
What's up?
We're gonna do some sick solos up on there in the water.
We're gonna do some stuff.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be dope.
What's it gonna be?
It's gonna be dope.
Can I get a yeet? Yeet! Oh my gosh.
What happened to it? That's an interesting.
We suspiciously parked his car all the way over there, even though there's all of this space absolutely everywhere.
No,
so
not suspicious
one
at
thing,
all.
this is Will. This is my good buddy Will. We've been friends for a long time. I knew him back when I was like 4.
I claim to have introduced him to Rubik's Cubes. He claims that I didn't.
He didn't actually do that.
I did, I totally did.
I will attribute him to whatever success I've experienced so far. Piquing my interest, that's right. So we're out here today. We're out here at Whiteface Ski Lodge. This was an Olympic mountain for the 1932 and the 1980 Olympics. And you can come here and ski here in the winter, but as you guys can tell, it's clearly not winter. So it's actually really nice weather today. Really humid, but it looks like it's gonna rain. So we're trying to find a trail here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna solve some, well, I'm gonna solve, do you remember how to solve?
Oh yeah, I know how to solve.
Okay, so we're gonna solve some Rubik's Cubes underwater. See how many we can get done, but we're gonna add a twist to it. It ain't just a normal pool, right? We're gonna hike out, find a brook, find a waterfall that's deep enough. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna solve it down at the bottom of that. And it's gonna be fun. Let's get rolling, boy.
Let's go.
This feels way steeper in the winter
when you're skiing down.
When you're actually skiing down it, and this is like the easy side.
Yeah.
So the nickname for this mountain, it's called Whiteface, but the nickname for this mountain is called Iceface because eastern skiing is not the best skiing.
No.
It's you get a nice thick layer of ice underneath everything.
Yeah.
And so when you get to the steep bits, not really this is mild, very mild. It gets pretty hairy because this was an Olympic mountain, so it's definitely steep in places. But we need to get out of the trail here because there are people, you do mountain bike here in the summertime, so we need to get out of the way here.
Stagbrook Falls Trail.
We literally walked straight past the trail. Didn't even notice it.
There was an arrow pointing directly to where the trail was, you know.
Oh. It's supposed to be. So tomorrow, from the time I'm filming this, I'm gonna go on a 25-mile hike. And
I'm not coming.
It's like out in the middle of absolute freaking nowhere. So little worried. I don't want to get sore. There's a picnic table.
Yep, I think it's pretty.
How bad is it, bud?
It's pretty cold, but it's not that bad. It's not muddy at all. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Get it, boy.
You're gonna get crab under the stick.
Suck it out. That was majestic. Water's no longer clear.
Oh, what?
The water is no longer clear.
Yeah.
So you think that you could get your head underneath?
Yeah. Oh, right. Over here, it gets deeper.
All right.
Oh my gosh. It's cold when you're over that water.
Oh, sure.
Whoa.
So that means we're gonna try it, y'all.
We're gonna try it. See how deep you can get.
Why did I do this? This is a horrible idea.
Nathan, look at the camera really fast. The face of regret.
Oh, what am I doing?
Get in! You can do it! Do it!
Here, hold this. Oh no!
Just drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
It ain't hot, man. It's cold. It's the opposite of hot. You know what the heck was that? This guy's like numbing. I gotta just make things sick. This water, just so we're clear, literally runs off of like mountain, like glacier basin. It's like horrible.
That's probably what, 45, 50 degrees, something like that. You gotta rip the band-aid off, dude. Just fall in. All right. Just do it.
I'll make a man out of you.
Ooh. Well, let's get down to business. You got this.
Alright. The pain is out of the way.
Don't die.
It legitimately knocked the wind out of me.
Oh. Okay. You got this.
All right,
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was sweet! Oh, that was so awesome!
The water's like pushing me down.
That was amazing, dude!
I think we can do better than that.
Okay.
Because that was a horrible solve.
Okay. You got it all scrambled and ready?
You want to scramble it?
Yeah.
All right, give me the camera. For proof. This is one of the most fun things I filmed ever. What? This is the most fun thing I filmed, I think. Like this area? No, just
sweet. That's awesome.
Yeah, just the area. Like this is.
I was like me scrambling.
It's so freaking pretty, dude. All right, bro.
That's scrambled.
There you go.
Sweet. Oh, that was a nice finger shot. Okay, you ready?
I think so.
We going under?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. It's really hard to see.
Yeah.
I think we can do better.
Yeah, I agree.
I want to get like a couple of solves.
Sweet. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Stay in a place. I'm floating around like crazy. All right, we can do it again. Here we go.
Okay.
Scrambling it.
Scrambling it. Scrambling it.
Oh, it's actually hard to breathe.
You got it.
Bro, this scramble sucked. No, here we go. Ready? Set.
Bro.
I was getting like sweat downstream like a little bit. I was kind of like drifting. So I think what happens is I need to like exhale and find a way to like anchor myself to the bottom. That way I'll be actually underwater instead of like flopping on my back. Because I'm sure that looked a little bit weird.
A few moments later.
I really don't want to do this again. Last try.
He's a weenie.
What did you say about me?
He's a weenie.
I'm not a weenie, I'm a man.
Get in the water.
Oh, I'm too skinny for this.
I'm like a little twig. I don't got any bite. You ready?
I feel like I'm just shaking.
You got this. Give me the 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm gonna get sick if I don't hurry.
Do it. Like a Band-Aid.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
The water makes it so much harder to hold your breath.
He's going. He's gonna do it. It's real.
This is shaking, it's real, bro. Alright, I think this is crossing the threshold and just being stupid.
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
You got this. Wow. I hope you can see like the muscle convulsions happening on camera right now.
All right.
You got it. Yeah, you got it. Come on. Do it. I have an idea. Lean forward.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm so cold.
Lean
hurry.
Lean, go under, and I'm gonna hold your shoulder so you don't have to breathe all your air out. Hold on. And I'll put the GoPro underwater. Ready? And I'll just hold your shoulder down.
Set.
That was a good one. Was it at least a decent solve?
I think so.
Nice job.
Get a shot of the waterfall.
Nice waterfall, so leading straight down to where Nathan just solved Rubik's Cube. You can do it.
Oh, brother.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're done.
Sweet. Oh, think you're gonna live?
Oh, I'll live. I'm fine.
He's gonna have a cold the next day.
Oh,
let's hope not.
I better not. I got big plans, man.
Yeah, that would suck. Are you gonna vlog? Oh yeah, no, you told me you're not gonna carry the.
Yeah. Look at my feet. They're legitimately purple. Shoot! I gotta be hydrated by my natural Fuji.
Sponsorship?
Hashtag not a sponsor.
Oh. I was gonna say, that's really impressive if you're sponsored by Fiji.
I'd love to be, trust me. You know what, you guys? TheEpicCuber shop is the best sponsor ever. You know what? Go check them out. Link in the top of the description. Get all your puzzles, get all your accessories. They got everything you need, including the lifestyle collection of t-shirts. Got anything to add, bro?
When I bought myself a brand new 4x4, I went on the TheEpicCuber shop and I typed in the TheEpicCuber 10. I got myself a nice discount.
Oh dang, y'all, we need to go try that out. It works right now. Use the TheEpicCuber 10. Get a discount on your order on TheEpicCubershop.com and help support a YouTuber like me.
Hashtag real sponsorship.
That's right. All right, bro. Let's get some B-roll. Let's get out of here. Oh, there's a waterfall.
That's scary right there. Here.
All right, I don't want to slip.
Don't stop recording, because that's a nice little...
All right, all this for some B-roll, guys.
This is some hashtag B-roll.
This some B-roll, guys.
Get some shots for the...
Do it for the Lauren and then do it for the vlog.
Number one.
Is that here?
Lord number one.
Well,
vlog number two.
Yeah.
Family number three.
Oh. I'm kidding. I'm single, so
yep.
I got viciously dumped, so
yep.
You know?
It happens, man.
Yeah,
it sucks.
Yeah.
All these ladies out here watching these Rubik's Cube videos. Look at how good looking that dude is. He's single. He's single.
Stupid, but I'm open.
How's he single and I'm not? Look at his face, look at that face. How he's single and I'm not?
That's probably why that's
Talk about perfect timing.
Look how far away the car is.
See that dot in the distance? That was my genius idea for parking. So we'll be walking for the next 5 minutes in the rain.
Come back here.
so we decided to live it up and stop at McDonald's at the end here to get a little bit of food. And I've not had anything from McDonald's in probably about 4 years, honestly. It's been a really long time. I never eat fast food. I actually don't eat out very often at all. So this is gonna be my first experience with McDonald's fry in a very, very long time, and they're hot.
They're very hot. Usually they come out nice and warm.
That's a balanced fry.
It's good fry.
It's got a crisp on the outside, soft in the middle, got a good amount of salt. I respect that, man.
And we have just become a food review channel.
Yep. Whoa! Moving on, baby.
Rubik's Cube vlogs and food reviews.
Okay, y'all need to comment. This guy's deciding whether he wants to come live where I live. But he's deciding between there and a different place because he's going to move out of this place even though it's dope.
It's a nice place.
So, you all need to comment. Tell this boy to come live by me so we can do a vlog like this all the time.
Every day.
And maybe. Slow down.
Oh, wait.
But
twice a week.
Yes, far more often. So if you guys enjoyed this, I need you guys to comment down in the comment section. Will, go live with your boy Nate. Okay?
Your boy.
My boy, your boy. Alright? That's what we're gonna do. Alright. Sad that we just recently ended this vlog. Thank y'all for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed it. Will, any last words?
Thanks for commenting, and subscribing.
Yeah. You know what time. Wait. That's good.
That's another channel. It's a good channel, but it's not.
Yeah, that's not us. Alright, peace out, guys. Catch you on the next one. You know what?
Sing it for me, brother. I'm gonna soar underwater, underwater. Woo! You can really taste the diabetes.